eModels.co.uk. Make something awesome.
Well, welcome to part 6 of the Tamiya LaFerrari build I'm doing for eModels. That's eModels.co.uk. So what we're doing in this part, we're doing the Airbox, which goes over the top of the engine on there. So this part will have, which is predominantly semi-gloss black on here, some detail bits with aluminium and flat black, and underneath the block is aluminium. But again, we're having some more carbon fibre decals over the top, so to see where they go. So these two will go over the long part, and those 3 parts will go over the fins at the end. Plus there's a red line, which is the kit's decals, that goes down the middle. And we'll have the first of the metal transfers. So a couple of Ferrari badges to put on there as well. While I was looking at the engine parts, I'll also be doing this part here, which is fuel tank cover, and again just a little bar here. I thought I'd fit that at the same time. It doesn't have any bearing on anything, so just a little bit of jumping about. So again, this has a carbon fibre decal over it, and again a little red stripe. So that's what we're going to be doing. So as usual, get things primed up and painted, and then get some decals on. So I'll come back when I've done some of the painting, and I'll see if I'll put in some more carbon decals on, because I missed it off the last couple of episodes. So we'll see what we can do. So we'll get it primed up and painted, and we'll do a bit more decaling. See you in the next bit. Right, we've moved on a bit. I know in the last clip I said I was going to show you doing carbon fibre decaling. Well, there's an awful lot of it, and really it was mostly keep covering the carbon fibre decals with the microsol to all settle down. So wasn't the most exciting bit of filming. So what I've done is cover the top of the airbox with, there's 2 bits around the side, top is 2 bits, and there's a bit at the front, and then the top of here is also carbon fibre. So we've got aluminium, and it's supposed to be flat black, but it seems fairly shiny. But anyway, that's the airbox detailed up. So what we're going to do now is put this red stripe up the middle, just along here, and then these 2 little red stripes on the top of the this part, which I can't remember what it is. One goes in here and one goes down the end. And then once they're dry, we can put things together. If I split this up, again, it's just aluminium with the paddle line washing there, just add a bit of detail. You're only going to see it from the top. So these little bits here, they'll be the only bits you can see. And so this bar from a couple of parts ahead. So we'll get on with putting these 2 bits on, and see how far we get. So I'll just pause it there for a sec, just while I get these cut out, and then we'll get sorted. Okay, so we'll start off with putting these 2 little red stripes on the fuel tank cover. So one goes in the middle of there, the other one just goes down the end. So we have 27 and 28. So 27 goes down the back here, so we do that one first. Again with little transfers, little decals, so you can just use some of the micro set on the back of the paper, and it should come off quite quickly. Give that a minute to soak through. So just while waiting, I've done again a little bit of panel wash just around little bits of detail, just to add some depth as usual. Okay, yep, we have movement. Use a bit just to get it to move a bit. Okay, so we've gone to the picture, it's supposed to overlap a bit over the top, so we'll see how we get on with that. I think what's better, we'll try and get it to stick on the back first, and then we can get it to bend over the top. So we'll put that to one side and let it have a rest. So now we'll do the this long piece here. So close which way around this goes. So let's run up the middle of there. As you can see, there's 3 little holes, and they line up on there. So again, it's like a card of soak. Get some ESL on there so it'll bed down nicely. So what you do is get these 3 holes lined up with the 3 holes on there, and that okay, so maybe just give it a little bit longer. Come on. Okay, just get out the model first, get it as close as we can. Little tweezers. Don't want to tell there's a hole there. So pretty lined up that way, so just need to edge it across sideways. Yeah, so we're getting there. Just a little bit of teasing. Get it sit down in the middle of that groove. slightly lopsided. Keep working on it. Yeah, it's really straight, so again we'll leave that to have a settle for a few minutes. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, can leave that to have a soak. So we'll move on to the last bit. Let's get rid of the bits of paper. Well, that's how I'm going to soak this is tiny little Ferrari badge. Put that one around. Just says Ferrari, and this will go on top of this part here, which is filler cap. So we'll sort that out in a minute or two once we've got this done. Yes, I'm going to chase these around the table for a bit. So again, I'll pause it there. There's bits going on a bit. So we'll back in a sec. Okay, so this is the filler cap. Still with the same chrome, so I'll just give them the little Ferrari badge a soak. Basically that just goes across the middle. Well, that worked well, didn't it? There we go. So like this, we'll just leave that to stand a bit. Okay, back in a sec when they've all had a bit of a soak. Right, so that's the airbox and fuel tank cover completed. So we've got the metal transfer Ferrari stickers on. And I did notice this one was slightly off, so I've moved it very, very carefully, took it off, stuck it back down. The nice red stripe going across the middle, and a tiny Ferrari on top of there, and more carbon fibering done. So that's coming along nicely. So we'll leave that part there, and we'll be back with the next one. I'll look see what we're doing. I think it's going to be the, get it to move, there we go, come out a bit, stop there. Instrument panel, I think it's going to be next. And so we'll leave it there. So thanks for watching this build I'm doing for eModels. So go on to eModels.co.uk, brilliant website. You'll buy lots of nice things off there. Okay, see you in the next part.